Hello guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to another session of the interview questions. So in this video we will be discussing about three topics, that is what is a string, what is a string buffer and what is a string builder. Finally we will be discussing about how string is getting differentiated from string buffer and how string buffer is again getting differentiated from string builder. So let's discuss about what is a string. In Java, a string is a sequence of characters. For example, let us consider a word hello. So in this string, HELLO, all these are characters, and combination of all these characters leads to form a string. Unlike other programming languages, strings in Java are not primitive types like integer, character, double, float, long. All these are primitive types, but string is not a primitive type in Java. Instead, all the strings are objects of a predefined class named as string. Now let's go for the next concept, that is what is a string buffer. So a string buffer is also like a string but can be modified. It means it is mutable. The content and length of the sequence can be changed through certain method calls. So by invoking some methods, we can change the length and content of the string buffer. They are safe for use by multiple threads. It means they are thread safe. What does thread safe means? It means at a time multiple threads cannot access the string buffer. Now let us go for the last concept, that is what is a string builder. So string builder objects are like string objects except they can be modified. Internally these objects are treated like variable length arrays that contain a sequence of characters. So at any point the length and content of the sequence can be changed through method invocations as like the string buffer. Now let us discuss about what is the difference between string and string buffer. So string is immutable whereas string buffer is mutable. It means we cannot modify the content of a string but we can modify the content of a string buffer. String is slow and consumes more memory when you concat too many strings because every time it creates a new instance. The string buffer is fast and consumes less memory when you concat strings. So during concatenation of strings, the string is slow as it takes more space and every time it creates a new instance, whereas the string buffer is fast as comparison to the string. The string class overrides the equals method of the object class. So from the object class, the string class overrides the equals method. Using that method, we can compare the content of two strings. But in case of string buffer, the string buffer class does not override the equals method of the object class. So we cannot use the equals method to check the content of two string buffers. Now let us go for the next concept, that is what is the difference between string buffer and string builder. String buffer is synchronized. It means it is thread safe. So what does thread safe means? It means two threads can't call the method of string buffer simultaneously. It means at an instant of time it can handle only a single thread. Whereas in case of string builder it is non-synchronized. It means it is not thread safe. It means two threads can call the methods of string builder simultaneously or at the same time. String buffer is less efficient than string builder, whereas string builder is more efficient than string buffer. So you can say string is less efficient than string buffer is again less efficient than string builder. So maintaining a hierarchy, first comes the string builder, then comes the string buffer, then comes the string in terms of efficiency. So this is all about string, string buffer and string builder. In the next video, we will be discussing more about interview questions. So till then, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. And guys, if you are having any sort of questions, then drop the questions in the comment section. Thank you.